Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your KuCoin account. First, open the KuCoin app or visit their official website. You will then need to enter your registered email, phone number, or user ID. After that, carefully type in your secure password. This initial step is crucial for accessing your account safely and efficiently, ensuring you are on the correct platform before proceeding. After entering your login credentials, you will typically encounter a security verification step. This often involves two-factor authentication, or 2FA. You might use a code from your Google Authenticator app or a one-time password sent via SMS to your registered phone number. This extra layer of security is vital for protecting your digital assets and ensuring only you can access your account. If you encounter any issues while trying to log in, don't worry. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent access. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it securely. For more complex or persistent problems, reaching out to KuCoin's customer support team is always the best course of action. They can provide personalized assistance. To further enhance your KuCoin account security, always enable all available features, such as anti-phishing codes and withdrawal whitelisting. Make sure to regularly update your password, using a strong and unique combination of characters. Remember, keeping your account secure is a continuous effort. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.